In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from photos in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select your image, find the right tool, and cleanly erase a person while keeping the background looking natural. Start with your photo already placed on the Canva canvas. Click the image to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles around the photo. This tells Canva you're about to edit that specific picture. With the image selected, click Edit. Depending on your layout, you'll see this in the toolbar above the canvas or in the side panel. This opens the editing options you'll use to make the change. Inside the Edit panel, look for the Tools section and click See All. This expands the full set of tools so nothing stays hidden. It's an easy way to reveal the feature we're about to use. Now choose Magic Eraser. As soon as you click it, your cursor becomes a brush and the image is ready for cleanup. Canva will analyze the area you paint over and try to rebuild the background behind it automatically. Before you start brushing, adjust the brush size. Use a smaller brush for detailed edges like hair, hands, or where the person touches other objects, and a larger brush for broad areas like clothing or open space. This simple adjustment gives you more control and a cleaner result. A helpful tip here is to zoom in for precision, especially around edges, and zoom out to check how everything looks overall. Next, brush over the person you want to remove. Paint over the entire subject you want gone, including any shadows or reflections that belong to them. Try to stay just inside the edges of the person to avoid removing nearby background details. It's fine to make multiple passes. Steady, overlapping strokes usually work better than rushing. Pause briefly to let Canva preview the cleanup as you go. When you're satisfied with the area you've covered, click Erase to apply the change. Canva will process the selection and fill in the background. Give it a moment. The result should blend naturally. If anything looks off, you can undo and try a smaller brush or refine the edges with another careful pass before confirming again. And that's it. You selected your image, opened Edit, expanded tools with See All, chose Magic Eraser, adjusted the brush size, painted over the person, and clicked Erase to finalize. With a little patience and the right brush size, removing people in Canva is fast, clean, and surprisingly easy.